What it do? What it do? What it do? Hey.
The one and only, he's driving, bro. I'm scared for my life right now, dude. You're recording and driving, bro?
Hell yeah. No hands. And I got the camera, so. So we are heading out to LA. You want to tell them what for?
We gonna get the remote. We gonna get the remote for the airbag kit.
We're getting the 3P and what?
What else we getting?
Well, I don't know. What else are we going out there for?
Oh, you know, I'm gonna surprise my boy with a little Christmas present, making him some little personalized stuff. And then, yeah, man, go get some food. About to share some tacos with you guys. Get ready.
It's gonna be a good time, guys. So, we got about, what did you say, like 20 or so minutes till we get out there?
10 minutes.
10-ish minutes until we get out to LA area. So I will pick up the camera as soon as we get there. But if you guys are not already, make sure to smash the subscribe button, leave a fat thumbs up. We're trying to hit 4K, boys. I think we're like 190 or something away still. But we got, what is that, like 20 something days until the end of the month? Hit that subscribe button if you guys are watching my videos already. 80% of you guys watch my videos and you're not subscribed. So if you're gonna watch my videos, you might as well already just subscribe. She just called me Papi. Sorry, Donna.
Wait, isn't that where we parked in?
These places are bomb right here.
This is where we parked.
What do you guys want? Damn, son. Come on, let's get that first bite. Let's see it.
This is straight LA hot dog.
Mmm.
Mmm. Mmm.
Joke?
I told you, man.
He ordered this like what? Like literally 2 minutes ago. That shit's gone. Look how big it was. And it's gone.
I told you, man. I don't play, man.
Oh, I'm sure they probably.
There's fucking truck on your way, bro. Just truck.
No, for real, that's funny.
Jesus, look at they got the whole friendly neighborhood picker upper. Damn, dude.
What was that though? They had the 2-story tents or what?
Bro, they got like 3-foot story tent. They got a 5-bedroom tent, bro. These guys do not play.
Guys, we just got here to the homie's house, so we're gonna go ahead and pick up the remote for this guy.
Dude, I don't know if that was loud or not, because I just stretched out.
That was pretty loud. That was pretty loud. Yeah, we're hella tired. We have to pee. That
Dude, watch these videos get deleted again, bro. Every fucking time.
I'm gonna be pissed. I'll find them somehow. So we're gonna go talk to this guy, see what's up, and then I don't know if I'm gonna bring you guys along or not. We'll see. But first, yeah. Like.
Cause I'm Lewis, and I drive and I cough and I grab the shift knob. God damn it, dude. Ooh, look at that lighting on me. Oh, you better save this footage on me. Got the cuzzos in the back. Alright guys, see y'all later.
Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I know it was different, but it was pretty fun, you know. Drove out to downtown LA, got some stuff taken care of. Saw that guy drifting in the middle of the street. That was pretty fun. It was a fun little just vlog, you know. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And again, subscribe if you're not already. We are so close to 4,000 subscribers. And stay tuned. Now that we have the new 3P harness, we're now going to be getting that installed into his car and then continue to work on mine and try to get mine fixed and get more panels wrapped. So a lot of good stuff to come still. I hope to catch you all in the next one, guys. I'm extremely tired, so I'm going to go rest. Peace out, guys.